Tinker and Tom back on YouTube. We're doing the sorry, excuse the mess. It's messy today. Still working on cleaning the house. Part of my New Year's revolution. But anyways, we are going to be installing a Perrin blow-off valve. Mine OEM one isn't handling the stage 1 intake boost properly. I think it's just worn out inside or something. It's supposed to be good up to about 25 psi, don't quote me, but I think there's something going on with mine, and I'd rather upgrade to something like this to avoid compressor surge, which is basically slow long-term damage on your turbo if you keep doing that. So even though we like the sound, but you know, it's not going to be something you want to do for a long time, at least not me. So I picked up one of these. Hopefully it'll help with that. I just want a solid sound when I shift or something. I don't need all that extra stuff, I guess. So it does come with let me explain, an extension hose. It comes with the screws. It comes with the extended little fitting right there to join the two pieces, and then your Allen keys, which go to this. And this is, I got mine for 08 through 14. Mine's a 2013. They do have them for the other model. They're located in slightly different positions and stuff like that, so you might be different, but this is basically how you do it. But the flow control has its own fitting right there on the key, Allen key. The way that you can spin this head a different way if you have to turn it a certain way to fit it in your car. And then the other big Allen key is for just putting the bolts in. This is the recirculation valve exit, I guess. And then this would be the vacuum line that you got to put on here. So I'll get back with you guys once I get out to the car and get it going. Alright, I know y'all think I'm crazy for having this, but I have this little display cabinet with car parts and stuff that I've removed from vehicles I've repaired. It's a U-joint. Oh, the glare is really bad. Fix that. Okay. That's a U-joint from my 2000 F-150 that I had to replace. That was me at the exotic driving, or that is Disney track in the Porsche. I did 6 laps on a track. It was very, very fun. I don't usually get to get in expensive cars like that. I'll be adding, I guess, the blow-off valve to this collection. That's actually from a 2013 WRX as well, and that's a valve body from the Ford truck. Some spark plugs, O2 sensors, stuff like that. Mass sensor. So I just like to display everything I've fixed. Just kind of interesting, like a little museum. And I picked up this interesting little piece here. Subaru sandbar. Actually, I will go as far as to do a giveaway. I'll do a giveaway. First 10. One of the first 10 commenters on this video will be selected to win the Subaru SVX or the Subaru Sandbar. I can ship you out one of these little model cars, the Subaru SVX I don't know what year that exactly is, or the Subaru Sandbar in all black. Your choice. You get to pick one. This was the last one at the store, so I don't know how rare they are. I don't know. But you'll get it for free. I'll even, I'll pay for shipping within the United States. I'm only going to do it for people within the United States, actually, so. Because I don't know about shipping it international and all that. So, domestic only. Sorry, guys. Alright, share, like, subscribe, and that might increase your chances as well. Alright, guys, thank you. I'll be back on when I get back on the car working with the blow-off valve. Okay, I'm outside now. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Got the pliers, 10-inch socket. I think that's what I need, I'm not sure. And yeah, get going on it. Take this off. Back in line. Little twist. Broke free. Should only be about 10 foot-pounds. Alright, I'm about to inspect the blow-off valve. See if we see anything wrong. Careful not to drop these bad boys. Hate dropping screws. Always get that long magnetic tool to pick up screws that fall. It's always good to have. You're supposed to take the gasket out of this. There's an inner gasket apparently under here, and you got to remove it and put it in your own. Here. Gasket's still in there, barely. Just gotta just pull the gasket out. And then we're gonna put it in the other one. You want to transfer that gasket into your other one. Make note of the tab where it goes. I did just try to blow through this, and I'm supposed to have like a pipe or something and like probably some air, but I just tried to blow it in with my mouth, and it didn't let any air through, so that's kind of weird. I don't know if I don't have enough, you know, pressure to pull it out or push the air out, but we'll see. It makes a difference. Alright, I just pulled out my fitting, and these are the bolts These are from some other project. Don't worry about this. These. Yes. Hose. Little, I guess they're called barbed hoses. You can put a little zip tie right here. Later. Put this. And then you can zip tie there. See, I'm gonna route this thing. Whoa, this should be the back of it. I'm not gonna do any adjustments, just, they say, not recommended. It's a gasket. Well, seems to go pretty nice. I'm scared I was going to have to buy a new one, but it seems okay. I'm glad it came with new bolts because mine were rusty too. They're going to go right there. I might need a hand to put this in, so let's see. Might not get good footage on this. Let's see. Okay, that's worried me because it started to move, but I don't know, maybe it's just adjustable. Move this thing up a little bit. And I scooted the collar up a little bit. Make sure it's got a good grab. Not sure if I like the Allen key thing. Kind of like the 10mm, but it'll work. The other one in there. I'll get back to you on that once I get it in. Alright guys, got it mostly in. One thing you're going to want to watch out for is you got to really make sure it's flush. And you got to be gentle with these screws. But see that space right there? It's not good. It's an air leak, boost leak. So make sure it's pressed down without damage. See how it's moving right there? I still need to tighten, but this hose is pretty stretched, so just watch out for that when you're putting it in. Okay, I got this thing as tight as I want to go. I don't really want to go much tighter. It'll strip some bolts or something. It seems pretty good. Just see how it runs. I'm gonna go ahead and put the zip ties here. It's not pinched. Not kind of ran it around here in a loop, but it's got enough free movement. Should be okay for air to go through. get back with you guys in a minute. Alright, it's in. Let it idle for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm gonna go for a test drive. Sorry I can't really film. Car's filthy. Can't really film while I'm driving this time. When I get my GoPro going with all the mounts, I'll do that. But please hit subscribe, like on this install video if you want to see some more videos like that, or like this on trucks, cars, whatever I can get my hands on. And I'm loving it. It makes some really nice whoosh noises. Let me show you. Drop it down to third. That. Let me get the windows up. That's what I'm gonna call it. Whooshy Goldberg. That Perrin BOV. That thing is gnarly. I just love the sound it gives. It's not overly loud or anything. I mean, it's got a good sound, but it fine-tunes the vehicle, in my opinion. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's pretty awesome. You heard it first, Whooshy Goldberg.